Warning and alarm of transmitters in the Florida listening area originated from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system for a specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Unless severe weather threatens, this concludes the weekly tests. We now return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast B32 listening area for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from England. Your coastal waters forecast.
Dang. Oh, shoot.
Transmitter can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KHB32 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KHB63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXK83A in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WXK69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program. For the official national
Last RWT of 2022. I'm surprised Ruskin tested first.
I almost had a perfect activation. My first should be activated late. And I took it all in front of them.
Oh shit! Tomorrow's my Zumba's birthday.
My zone guard went freaking late, of course. But
since he's higher and their sun.
he went off. Turning off now. And my ER210 went off once again on WXK83A. Dang. Last RWT of the year. And it was in Lakeland. Hence the smaller collection.
Did
But
you guys get irritated by my 0510?
I didn't hear any of your radios, to be honest with you.
Because